Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a monthly favorites. I do want to start doing this like every month on my channel. I think it's a really good way for you guys to see like what products I carry on using after I've reviewed them or after I've done my whole like first impression thing. So if you want to see what my monthly favorites are, please keep watching. Please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So if you've been active on my Instagram over the past month, you know I've bought a bunch of skincare, loads of new products, and I just want to talk about what's really worked for me and what has made a huge difference in my skin. So this is the hyaluronic acid by the Inky List. It's essentially a serum which you put on straight after you wash your face, and it will absorb loads of moisture into your skin. It's amazing. Honestly, it's one of my favorite serums. It did not break me out at all, and I absolutely love it. I use this every morning and night. Game changer. It's really good at plumping your skin and sort of over time reducing fine lines and just really making your skin look super flawless. Then I have the lactic acid by The Ordinary. Now this is a chemical exfoliant. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know I absolutely love chemical exfoliants. I think they are the way to exfoliate if you want to exfoliate. This one is super gentle. It's literally the most gentle form of exfoliant that The Ordinary carry within their line, and I think it's amazing. I literally use it every night before putting a moisturizer on, and it's revolutionary. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and so smooth in the morning. Highly recommend. For skincare, I've been absolutely loving the L'Oreal Hydrogenius moisturizer. It says it's a moisturizer, but I think it's more of a serum. So it's super thin and gel-like, and it just is super like watery. I absolutely love this for going under your makeup. It literally makes your makeup go on so smooth, your skin so hydrated and so supple without interfering with your actual makeup products, since it is water-based and just really thin. I've got two more skincare products, and they're both by CeraVe. CeraVe is a skincare company that is pretty affordable, and they are known for having no fragrance and just being a straight up really good skincare company. So I do have another product that I've been using, but I haven't used it as long, so I don't really want to tell you like false information, but so far I do like it as well. This is the CeraVe smoothing cleanser, and it's got salicylic acid, so technically this again is an exfoliant. Don't worry, I'm not over exfoliating. This is really gentle. Like, it takes a long time for there to be results, so I say after like 2 weeks is when I really noticed my skin really replenishing and looking brand new, like just amazing. Because it's fragrance free, it's super good for people with sensitive skin who sort of have that like rough skin but don't really know how to get rid of it. This is the cleanser for you, and it really lasts you for a really long time. Like, I've been using this every day, morning and night, for like the past month and a half, and I'm only like here. So something CeraVe definitely deliver on is you get your money's worth. This is the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and it's huge. This is an average serum size, and it's massive. Okay, it says for dry to very dry skin, but coming from me, a girl with super dry skin, you don't even need to have super dry skin to use this. When I put it on, my skin absorbed it super quickly. It doesn't stay greasy on your face, like a greasy thick feel, so you can use this in the morning and in the night. You can put it under makeup. I recommend this to anyone with like normal skin upwards to like dry skin. This is insane, and for the price you get so much. It's gonna last me forever. So now that we've moved from skincare, we're going to go on to hair care, and this is kind of like an empties video at the same time because I want to show you guys this is pretty much gone. I've enjoyed this so much. So this is the Pantene whatever Hair Biology Defrizz and Illuminate mask. I bought this like last year, and I used it once as a conditioner, and I was like whatever. So it's been in my bathroom for ages. Over the last month I've used this a few times as like a leave-in conditioner. So I'd wash my hair and then put some of this on, wait about half an hour, and then rinse it. And let me tell you, my hair was so shiny, so soft, just like miracle in a jar. This is definitely something that I will be repurchasing. I absolutely love it. For the moment I am using another Pantene mask, but this one is amazing. I'm trying to leave my hair and not straighten it as much, so this is actually my natural hair. If you've seen other videos, my natural hair is a lot wavier, but if I put it in a really slick like twist, like just like that, if I dry it like that, it sort of just stays kind of a bit smoother concealer, not so curly. And then on days where I want it to be a little curlier and just really enhance my natural curls, people are gonna come at me. I know they're waves, okay? I've been using this, as you can tell. So this is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. So it says made for curls, coils and waves. I love this. I've been using this and the Frizz Ease by John Frieda, and I can't find that one to save my life. So basically I'll put this on my hair when it's like 60%, 70% dry, and then I'll just wait for my hair to dry. And honestly, it takes all the frizz out of your curls or waves and just leaves you with really nice defined hair. I sometimes like to use it to like rejuvenate my hair. So if I'm on like the third day and I feel like my curls are getting frizzy again, I will wet my hair just a little bit, pop some of this, and then just do 2 little buns to go to sleep. And when I wake up, my hair is super wavy, super defined. I bought this off Amazon, but you can get this pretty much in any like drugstore in the UK, I'm pretty sure, and I know you can get this in the US as well. So as we transition from skincare to hair into makeup, I do want to mention these. So these are Johnson's makeup wipes. Now I know if you've watched my skincare video, you're like, don't use makeup wipes to take your actual makeup off your face. Don't do it. It's super harsh. It's just going to irritate your skin. I love these for cleaning up my brows. So as you'll see later, I'll tell you my favorite brow product. But when I do my brows, I need to clean them up. I love this for cleaning up eyeshadow. I love it for sometimes taking my actual eye makeup off with this and then using an oil cleanser everywhere else, because I do wear contacts. So I have to like take them out, remove my eye makeup, put my contacts back in, and then use an oil for my face. So I can't really use an oil on my eyes. That's just me because I got contacts, and if it gets in them. These are super moisturizing. You know, sometimes makeup wipes feel kind of dry. These ones are like wet. It's like they're soaked in product, and they're super hydrating, super moisturizing, and so far on the market they are the only ones that I feel like aren't super stripping on your skin. Check them out. They are super affordable as well. I think they're only a couple of pounds. So this is the Vitamin E Serum by Superdrug. Now listen, I actually used this in like an old video, and then I haven't picked it up for a while, and then when I used this again, I was like, why haven't I been using this the whole time? So I applied this today under my makeup in conjunction with this, and let me just tell you, this has the feeling of an actual primer. It feels slightly thicker than any other serum that I own, and it feels like, I can't describe it, okay? I feel like there's primers on the market that feel like this. Maybe the Hangover primer by Too Faced, that's the only way I can describe it. Like, it makes your skin feel really soft, which I don't know why, but I'm not complaining. The Vitamin E Moisture Boost Facial Serum from Superdrug. If you can pick this up, honestly, it makes your makeup look so hydrated, so smooth. Now we're going to start talking about makeup and just getting a little bit into my favorite products that I've used this month. So honestly, would this be a favorites video without my Got To Be Glue eyebrow gel? So this is the, I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but you know that brand. Got To Be Glued water resistant spiking glue. If you touch my forehead, I don't have hairs. They're like flat. So this is actually really good for covering your brows if you're doing drag. I like that whole soap brow look, really sort of like held up brows, but I cannot achieve that with soap to save my life. My brows are like, I want to zoom you in so you can see what I mean when I mean like they're laid flat. Do you see what I mean? So yeah, I absolutely recommend this. If you have trouble holding your brow hairs up, or you feel like no brow gel will hold them in place, this is amazing. Honestly, this looks really good with just some brow gel and then a bit of concealer, but obviously I like to just fill the ends in. So now I'm going to talk about some of my favorite face products that I've been trying, and oh my god, let me tell you, this brush, if you don't have any makeup brushes but you want to buy one, buy this. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Yes, e.l.f. meaning very affordable. So when I tell you this is the only thing I've been using for my makeup for the past 2 weeks, I haven't touched a beauty blender. I swear by beauty blenders, as I've always said, they have given the most flawless finish to my skin. Take it back. This brush will leave your skin looking airbrushed. I used it today to blend out my cream contour, my foundation. I only use a beauty blender for my concealer because I can't get this under my eyes. Super affordable, but so good quality. Like, brush doesn't shed, which happens a lot with much more inexpensive brushes. So I'm just going to talk about these products really quickly. These are the Jeffree Star concealers, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with them. They are such full coverage and leave the most flawless look on your under eyes. I've literally been using them for full glam. I've been using them for super like natural day-to-day makeup. I'm obsessed. I wish I would have bought like a different shade because they are a little bit light for me, but I love them regardless. They are amazing, and if you want to see my full thoughts and review on the concealer, I'll link it up here. I just wanted to give a little shout out to this little bits right here. So this is a cream contour stick and it's by the brand AOA, which is from the shop Miss A shop. I did 2 full videos testing out so much, like I bought so much makeup I needed to do 2 full looks. So this is the contour stick I tried in the first video, and again I will link it up here if you really want to watch it. This is in the shade Sand and it's the most gorgeous like warm tone bronze shade and it blends like a dream. This is like super creamy, super easy to use, and I love it. So I highly recommend this. Last but not least, it's this baby, and this is what I have on my eyes today. So this is the, I think it's BH Cosmetics, yeah, Take Me to Ibiza Palette. So the actual mirror smashed, we're just gonna ignore that, don't know how that happened. The quality of these is so good. So on my actual crease I have this like minty green color, and then on my lid I've got this stunning blue color which is like all over my lid. If you're looking for a palette that's got colors but it's also super wearable, because you've got a big bronzer here that you can use as a transition shade, and then you've got a bunch of shimmery shades which you can use on your lid. They are so good, but like the quality of these shades from this palette are insane, and I'm pretty sure BH Cosmetics is pretty affordable. This was a gift to me for Christmas, so I don't know exactly how much it is, but I'll put the prices of everything up here so you guys will know. So yeah guys, that is the end of the video. I hope it was fun to see what I've been loving recently and what I've been reaching for the most, because someone who tries out so much makeup, so much skincare, I think it's important for you guys to see what I actually reach for on a day-to-day basis, and I would only recommend something to you guys if I absolutely loved it. If in the future I've only got 2 things that I've loved that month, that video is having 2 things. I'm not gonna put things in just for the sake of it. I will only put things in if I really feel passionate and I really like them. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. Please remember to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.